I'm James Paccitti, entertainment attorney and production counsel in Los Angeles, and this is the third of 3 videos discussing the process that producers must go through in order to become a SAG signatory production. Once SAG has received and reviewed all of the applicable documents requested and required up to this point, as previously discussed in the other videos, including the various documents of formation and scripts and budgets and chain of title, the producers will be advised of what financial assurances will be required. The financial assurances usually include, but are not limited to, the following things. First, they will always include a security deposit, or the SAG bond, which is paid by cashier's check or wire transfer. It is very important that producers are aware of and budget for the SAG bond. The amount of the SAG bond is usually equal to the amount of the estimated performer's payroll wages for the first 2 weeks of shooting, plus applicable SAG-AFTRA Pension and Health benefits. The SAG bond is held through the end of production and is then released back to the production once all SAG requirements have been met. The bond can put a constraint on cash flow, and so producers should be aware of that prior to even commencing the process, to avoid any disruptions to the production of the project. But they should also be aware that the PGA has an online performance bond service that can help expedite the return of the bond, even if the producers are not members of the PGA. In addition to the security deposit, SAG will require completion of a number of financial assurance documents, which include guarantee agreements, assumption agreements, security agreements, essentially as many agreements as SAG feels are necessary to ensure performers are paid the money that they will be owed under the applicable agreements. When all these requirements are fulfilled, the production will be given clearance, which allows verifications that the performers and the background actors are members of the union and in good standing. This is also known as the cast clearance process. At the time of this video, COVID-19 is still an issue. So SAG will require materials related to COVID-19 safety protocols in addition to the other documents required. During production, SAG will also require completion of and submission of performer contracts and production time report forms to the SAG-AFTRA representative. If you are hiring a principal performer or background actor who is not a member of the union, then it will be necessary to submit a Taft-Hartley form, which I discuss in another video. Finally, after production is complete, you submit the final cast list and casting data report forms. At that point, SAG will conduct a final review and to determine if any other obligations are outstanding. If SAG determines that there are none, at that point, the process of getting your SAG deposit back will begin. If you have any questions, or if you have a project you wish to discuss, don't hesitate to contact us.